Hi guys, this is Leslie and welcome back or welcome to our channel. And in this video, I am going to share with you our experience filing the I-751 or the Petition to Remove Condition on Residence. I am going to share with you also the requirements that we submitted to the USCIS. So before we start, I'm going to give you a little bit of a background. So my green card or my 2-year green card expired on July 21st, 2019. Yeah, it expired already. And we filed the form I-751 or the petition on April 23rd or April 23, 2019 this year. And that was 3 months before my 2-year green card expires. So we did the filing. And it's okay because according to the website of the USCIS, you can actually file 3 months early prior to your 2-year green card expiration. So that's what we did. After filing the paperwork at the USCIS, after 1 week, we received the notice of action or the I-797. I have it here. It's called I-797 or I-797. So it says here, I'm just gonna read it. It says here that your conditional resident status is extended for 18 months from the expiration date on your form I-551 or the resident or the permanent resident card. During this extension, you are authorized to work and travel. This notice presented with your expired permanent resident card is evidence of your status and work authorization. So it means that even though my 2-year green card expired already and I was able to file it, the petition or the I-751, it means that I can still continue living here in the United States with this this proof of letter or notice of action. So with this one, while waiting for the result of the petition. So yeah. So now I am going to share with you what are the requirements that we submitted. I am going to share with you guys. So here it is. So I'm going to show you the requirements, actually just the copies of the original requirements that we submitted to the USCIS. So in this folder are the copies. Okay, so guys, the first page here is the cover letter, and if you guys want to use this as your guide, please feel free to do so. Yeah, you can use this as your guide. You can see here my husband's name here because he's the one who filed it, phone number, recent address, the date of filing, the address of the USCIS where we sent it, and then the title. Since we filed this, both of us, this is a joint filing, so our names are here, our date of birth and a social security number. And then here is the body of the letter. I'm gonna read it. So this is the body of the letter. I'm just gonna read this. Dear USCIS officer, I am filing a joint form I-751 petition to remove conditions on residence with my spouse, my name. My wife entered United States on a K-1 visa and we subsequently married. She adjusted status to permanent resident on July 21, 2017. We have remained living together happily and have also had a daughter who is now 15 months old. We respectfully request that this petition be accepted for removal of conditions on residence for me. We have enclosed the required forms, filing fees, and other supporting documents and evidence to verify our status of our marriage. To verify the status of our marriage and ongoing relationship. So this is the first part of the cover letter. And you can see here on the bottom, I covered it because I am going to show it to you by threes. Okay, this is in a bulleted form, but I'm going to share it to you by threes. Okay, let's move to the second part of the cover letter. So here is the second part of the cover letter. Copies of all documents enclosed are precise copies of unaltered documents. I am always ready to submit the original documents to any consular or immigration officer whenever required. Our home is open to you in case you would like to make a visit. And then we put both of our signatures, our names, address, phone numbers, and email address. So here, this stuff here that I covered, I am going to share it with you guys. Don't you worry. Okay, here it is. So here are the requirements that we submitted or prepared. First is the application filing fee of $595 in the form of cashier's check. The biometrics service fee of $85 in the form of a cashier's check. Completed joint I-751 form. Copy of the U.S. permanent resident card, that's mine. Copy of my California state ID. Copy of our marriage certificate, the date, and the state where we got married. Copy of U.S. passport of my husband. Copy of California state driver's license of my husband. Copy of my Philippine passport. Copies of our joint tax returns for the previous 3 years. Copy of our apartment rental agreement with joint occupancy since 2016 to present. Copies of our 2 most recent bank statements from our joint checking account. Copy of the birth certificate of our daughter. Copy of U.S. passport of our daughter. Copy of our health insurance card. Copy of our joint bill for electricity. Letter from the company where my husband works, or the 401k details, or designating me as his, I don't know, beneficiary. And letter from TD Ameritrade and designating me as his blank beneficiary. So that's it. Letter from the bank. Printout of our joint Amazon account. 3 sworn affidavits of U.S. citizen, friends, and family attesting to our relationship and marriage. Yes, we ask for affidavits from them. Photographs spanning from my husband meeting me at my parents' place in the Philippines, and to our wedding, and to the birth of our daughter. And that's it. So that's it, guys. Those are the things that I covered here. Those are the things that we submitted. So guys, those are the list of the requirements that we submitted, and this is it, the copies of those lists. These are the copies. And at the back, at the very last page, you can see here photos or photographs, sample photos of us. Yeah, you see our wedding day. Yep. So just sample photos. So yeah, that's it. Guys, I hope we were able to help you with this video. Guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Hi. Say hi, everyone. She just woke up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so you'll get notified whenever we get update on the petition or on the application. Yeah. Oh, thank you. She's giving me a brownie. Thank you, baby. You are so nice. Okay, here it is. Thank you. Yeah. You are so welcome. Thank you so much. You are so pretty. Yeah, guys. So, yeah. Thank you for watching, and bye.